Attention everyone, Main Street Fast 7 trains are not stopping at 52nd Street or 69th Street because the station is broken.
Be here, wedding.
Or 69th Street.
Hey, Be there.
Flushing Main Street bound 7 local trains. The next stop is Woodstock, 61st Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
That's so weird. Wait, that's so weird. Because, bro, like, you had a whole day to respond. You could have at least said I can. That's why this is stopped. Otherwise, it's like, right there. Also, like, it would have been places for her. She lives, like, on one side.
Station, the elevator is at the front of the platform. Transfer to the LaGuardia Lake Q70 Select Bus Service to LaGuardia Airport. Transfer to the Q53 Select Bus Service. Connection available to the Long Island Railroad. This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train. The next stop is 74th Street, Broadway.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Well, like in general, on average.
This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 local trains. The next stop is 82nd Street, Jackson Heights.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
That's a real testament to your school.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
At least strawberry feels gummies are better. These ones right now.
Flushing Main Street bound 7 local trains. The next stop is 90th Street, Amherst Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Bye, Mama.